Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. If you found these videos helpful, please consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Strength of Materials in 6. The topic of this tutorial is question 4 of the DP exam that was written on the 25th of May 2023. The formulas used are included in the video. The question is also posted in the description box below. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. Some of the formulas used in these videos, which are taken from DP examinations and past papers, do not appear in most textbooks or the formula sheet attached to your exam. You will need to know them in order to do some of the sums. They appear in the beginning and end screens. Let's get straight into it. So now we've got question 4, and we're going to do question 4.1. Question 4 states, a retaining wall with a right-angled triangle cross-section retains water against a vertical face for its full height of 5 meters. The density of the wall material is 2,400 kg per meter cubed, and the coefficient of friction for the base is 0.4. Consider 1 meter length of the wall. Now we've got to calculate the following. 4.1 states the base width if no tension is allowed in the wall. Number 2, the factor of safety for overturning and the state if it is within the limit. And 4.3, the factor of safety for sliding if the state is within limit. So, first things first, let's calculate 4.1. The base, we've got to calculate the base width if no tension is allowed in the wall. So, our first things to write are P is 2,400 kg per meter cubed. And that's the density of the material. The full height is 5 meters. The coefficient of friction, so the coefficient of friction is 0.4. And consider 1 meter length of the wall. So length is 1 meter. Right, and to top it off, the wall is a right-angled triangle. So in this case, from there to there is 5 meters. From there to there is 1 meter. So, first things first, we're going to work out W. So, W equals density times gravity times area times length. So what we have here is 2,400 times 9,81 times 0,5 times B times 5 times 1. Equals 58860B. And that also equals to V. So, W equals 58860 times B, and V equals 58860B. Now, the next part is going to work out FW. So that is PGH squared over 2. So in this case, somehow the density is 1000 times 9,81 times 5 squared over 2. And this gives me 1 gives me 122,625 newtons. So this will be important later. Fw is equal to 122,625 newtons. Now we calculate, now that we've calculated that, we move on to Wxx and Vxx, because that is the retaining wall itself. So Vxx1 R plus Fw times h over 3 equal Wxx1. So in this case, V is equal to 58860B. Now Xx is times B over 3 plus Fw, which is 122,625 times 5 over 3, and that equals, now we've got W, 58860B times 2B over 3. Now all we have to do is just work out B. Let's put all the B's together, which is quite simple. So B times B is B squared. So that's 2B squared. And this is also B squared. Right. So all we have to do is just take the B's into account. So now this is multiplied, so that stays there. And that's multiplied. So if I take, now let me take this and move it over there, and take this and move it over here. So this will be 58860 B squared over 3. Now take this and bring it down, divided by, no wait, that's not right. I wouldn't do that right now. So, now take that and minus it, equals 58860 2b squared over 3. Minus 122,625 times 5 over 3. Okay, let me get rid of this so that we can see a little better. 5 over 3. Bases are the same, so we can add the two numbers together. This is plus, so that'll be minus. So we have 58860 b squared over 3 minus 58860 2b squared over 3. Okay, now this and this are eliminated. So b minus 2b is minus 1b. So minus 1b squared over 3 equals minus 122,625 times 5 over 3. So now what we can do is take this, so that's times by 5, so put that in a bracket, times by 5 over 3. Then our bases cancel. And we're left with 5, so this 5 will come down here. No, this will come here, it's minus 1, so minus 1 will come over there. This minus 1 will come here, minus 1, minus and a minus cancel, becomes a positive. So this will be b squared, this will be b squared, the root of b is equal to 3,227 meters. That is our base. That is the length of the base if there's no tension in the base. And that will be important later. Okay, next question. Now 4,2 is W to M equals W x1. So what we need to do is say this is equal to, so W is 58860. Now B times 3,227 times 0,667 times this B here again, so it's 3,227. So what we're going to do now is say this is equal to 408,627. So W M is equal to 408,627 kilonewton meters. Now we're going to work out F to M, and that is equal to, that is a formula of FW times H over 3. So FW is this one here. So that equals 122,625 times 5 over 3, which equals 204,375. kilonewton meters. So F to M is 204,375 kilonewton meters. Okay, so now for factor of safety, for our factor of safety, which is what we want, it is W to the M over F to the M, which in this case equals 408,627 over 204,375, which equals 1,9998. Or in this particular case, it'll equal 2. So for this to be safe, it's got to be less than and equal to 2. So this is considered safe. So our factor of safety is 2. Now, for question 3, we need to find out the factor of safety for sliding and state if it is within limit. So state means, is it safe or is it not? In this particular case, is it safe or is it not safe? That is the state we need to find out. So we've just worked out the factor of safety for this wall is 2. So we're going to work out this one here. So V is equal to 58860B, which equals 58860 times B, which is 3,227, equals 189941 kilonewton. Now, what is left is now we need to work out factor of safety. So, factor of safety for sliding is equal to mu V over FW. So this equals 0,4 times 189,941 over FW. 122,625 equals 0,62. This is not safe because it is less than 1,5. So it is not safe according to sliding. It is not safe for sliding. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.